Did you know that over 36 million Americans practice yoga regularly, and more than 20 million are seeking meditation retreats each year? But with rising anxiety, loneliness, and burnout, it's not just about wellness anymore. It's about finding stillness in a noisy world. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 best yoga and meditation retreats in the USA. From the Appalachian Forest to the Pacific Cliffs, places where transformation is not just a word, but a lived experience. 1. Isha Institute of Inner-sciences, McMinnville, Tennessee. Founded by Sadhguru, the Isha Institute of Inner-sciences sits on over 1,400 acres in the serene Cumberland Plateau. Home to the largest consecrated meditation hall in the Western Hemisphere, this is more than a retreat. It's an energetic powerhouse. You can attend structured programs like Inner Engineering, $95 to $500, or volunteer long-term for free. Expect daily yoga, adiyogi presence, vegetarian meals, and an atmosphere charged with spiritual intensity. 2. Isha Institute, Big Sur, California. Perched above the cliffs of Big Sur, Isha is legendary. Since the 1960s, it has hosted mystics, artists, and seekers alike. Retreats here blend yoga, mindfulness, hot springs, and creative workshops in nature. Prices start around $600 to $1,500 for weekend to 5-day retreats. Expect ocean views, hot mineral baths, and transformational classes on everything from meditation to conscious relationships. 3. Shambhala Mountain Center, Red Feather Lakes, Colorado. High in the Rockies lies Shambhala Mountain Center, a Tibetan Buddhist retreat known for its stunning Great Stupa of Dharmakaya and deep stillness. It offers retreats in shamatha meditation, mindfulness, and Zen traditions. Costs range from $120 per day to $1,200 for longer stays. Expect meditative silence, Buddhist teachings, and connection to the natural world. 4. Kripalu Center, Stockbridge, Massachusetts. Kripalu is one of America's most beloved centers for yoga, Ayurveda, and holistic health. Programs cover everything from trauma-informed yoga to energy healing. Daily schedules include yoga, meditation, and healthy meals. Prices start at $250 for weekend retreats, with scholarships available. Expect structured yoga sessions, nourishing food, and a welcoming, supportive environment. 5. Mount Madonna Center, Watsonville, California. Built on a hilltop overlooking the Pacific, Mount Madonna blends classical yoga, community living, and seva, selfless service. Founded by Baba Hari Das, it offers silent retreats, pranayama workshops, and a strong emphasis on yoga philosophy. Retreats range from $200 to $800, with long-term residential programs also available. Expect daily meditation, karma yoga, and views that inspire inward reflection. 6. Spirit Rock Meditation Center, Woodacre, California. Just an hour from San Francisco, Spirit Rock is a haven for Vipassana, insight meditation in the Theravada tradition. You can attend day-long retreats, silent weekend intensives, or month-long residential programs. Prices vary from donation-based to $1,500, with financial aid widely offered. Expect noble silence, Buddhist teachings, and profound inner stillness. 7. Omega Institute, Rhinebeck, New York. Omega has become a hub for spiritual seekers, yoga lovers, and even skeptics wanting deeper answers. From mindfulness and movement retreats to eco-spirituality workshops, it offers something for everyone. Prices start around $400 to $1,000, including meals and accommodations. Expect a mix of modern wellness, ancient wisdom, and a community of awakening. 8. Sivananda Ashram Yoga Retreat, Bahamas, U.S. Gateway option. Technically outside the U.S., but easily accessible via Florida. The Sivananda Ashram Bahamas is a tropical outpost for classical yoga. Daily schedule includes 2 yoga classes, 2 satsangs, karma yoga, and vegetarian meals. Prices start at $90 per night for dorms. Expect discipline, Vedantic philosophy, beachside meditation, and ocean breezes to deepen your breath. 9. Zen Mountain Monastery, Mount Tremper, New York. Founded by John Dado Lurie, Zen Mountain Monastery offers rigorous Zen training in a traditional Japanese format. Perfect for those seeking depth and silence, its retreats focus on zazen, seated meditation, work practice, and koan introspection. Costs are about $300 to $900, with residency options. Expect minimalism, intensity, and profound spiritual clarity. 10 Ananda Village, Nevada City, California. Inspired by Paramahansa Yogananda, Ananda Village is a spiritually rich, intentional community. It offers Kriya Yoga retreats, meditation teacher training, and immersive residential stays. Retreat prices range from $400 to $1,200, while longer stays are available through their Karma Yoga program. Expect joyful energy, community life, daily meditation, and service-based living. In a world obsessed with productivity and noise, these yoga and meditation retreats offer something different: depth, silence, and reconnection. Whether you're drawn to the mysticism of Isha, the wild cliffs of Isalin, or the silence of Zen Mountain, the US is now home to sacred spaces for inner transformation. Which retreat called out to you the most? Comment below and let us know. And if you're ready to trade chaos for clarity, hit that subscribe button, share this with a fellow seeker, and start planning your own inner pilgrimage.